talk a little bit about subject pronouns. Now, subject pronouns are what tells you the subject of a verb. Take a look at that in English. I walk to school. We are having fun. The subject pronouns are I and we. They tell you who or what is doing the verb. There are 9 subject pronouns in French compared to only 7 in English, so we do have a few more to learn about. Here on your screen you have the subject pronouns. Je, tu. Il, elle, on. Nous, vous. Il, elle. Now I want you to make sure that you learn the subject pronouns in this order. It'll become clear why that is later on, but this is the order we'll always be using. We have the first person pronouns and the second person pronouns. Here are your first person pronouns. Je, I. Tu, you, for singular or informal. Il is either he or it, masculine. Now remember I said that all objects have a gender, so even it has to have a gender because every object has a gender. So il, he or it. Elle, she or it, that's feminine. And then on. This means we, one or we. We're going to look at some of these in a bit more depth in just a second. But let's quickly move on to plurals or second person subject pronouns. So we have nous, we, in a more formal sense. Vous, you, plural or formal. Il is they, that's male. And elle, which is also they, but female. Notice that with il and elle, when they're written, they have an S on the end. But when they're pronounced, no S is at the end of the word, unless the following verb starts with an A sound or a vowel. Now, we're going to look in a bit more depth at some of the ways these pronouns work. And I'm going to explain a bit more about formality and informality. But before we do that, let's have a practice of some of these. So on your screen, you have the English and French versions. Can you tell me which ones match which? Yes, that's right. Je goes with I. Tu goes with you. Nous is we. And Elle, with an S on the end, is they, female. Bravo, super, well done.